I'm back again to show you how to make that COVID virus mask. It's going to be no-sew, as I promised you. I've pinked around the edges with pinking scissors so that it won't fray when you wash it. If you have a handkerchief that's already sewn around the edges, you don't have to worry about doing that. The first thing you want to do is just find a piece of cotton about 17 inches square. This one makes me laugh because I used to use it for a show with that Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Bikini song that you remember. I washed it and dried it so it's sanitary. Then you fold it in thirds just like this. Turn it over and fold it in thirds again. It's going to give you a natural pleat. Simple so far. Fold it back. And if you have some elastics that you might use for ponytails, you just put that over the ends in the distance to approximate the size of your face. Now, if these are a little too tight around the ears, some people might use the ends of a sock that you can clip off and make little rubber bands that are softer around your ears, or pantyhose. Once you have that done, you flip them inside, leaving your rubber bands on the ends like this. That goes over your ears. And there's your mask. It's that easy. And when you're all done, you take off the rubber bands, take your fabric, toss it in the washer and the dryer, and it's sanitary again, ready for the next use. They're so easy to make, you should make a whole bunch of them. Stay safe and keep the arts in your life every day.